up. Got the mount ready. And I think we are good to go. The POV. Alright guys, so we are gonna go on a little POV cruise just to get some content out, because I did a POV that was before I was lowered. So now I'm lowered, full bolt on, the car with summer tires, so we'll see how this goes. I'm gonna be using the mount, and so I'm not gonna be able to talk when I got the GoPro footage up. So yeah, so you're gonna hear the car. I'm gonna try to do good pulls, and yeah. I just want to say it is super cold out. It's only 56 degrees it says outside, but it feels like it's way colder. Like I have the window open just like this much, and I'm pretty cold. And I have sweatpants on and a windbreaker. So yeah. literally. I wanted to do some little pops on the back road so you guys could hear, but I think we're gonna chill out. I want to turn off to the pops because it's like OD loud. Like, I don't know if it picks it up on camera, but it's so loud, like really loud. So I'm just gonna chill out, you know, have some courtesy. Let's switch to map 1. But yeah, the car feels good. I mean, there's no complaints on my end. But yeah, I don't know if you guys could hear because of the wind. Hopefully you guys can hear, but it's really cold. My face is freaking freezing. But I'm gonna do a quick pull, give you guys a little action. By the way, those pulls on the back roads, I was like 3/4 of the throttle. I wasn't even full throttle. It may sound like I was on full throttle just because like it's really loud, but no, I was chilling out. But yeah, it's not bad for not even full throttle though. So yeah. It sounds insane. Like, I was just like getting a nice good listen of it. It sounds insane. Like, the NA induction out of the 3.7 is insane. As you can see, I'm at a quarter tank, so let me show you a little quick pull. Yeah, it's insane. Like, since it's NA, you could obviously the power gets delivered like towards the higher you go in the RPM, but it's really nice. Like, this is plenty fast for a daily, so it's insane. There's the Lambo dealership. I don't know if you guys know, if you guys live on Long Island, Lamborghini Long Island right there. But yeah, so it feels good. The car feels really good. I mean, I bet it helps that it's cold outside, so obviously that helps, but yeah, the car feels good. This full bolt on, lowered. I want to get a strut bar or sway bar, whatever. No, strut bar. That goes in your engine bay, so it like mounts up in your engine bay, and hopefully that makes the car stiffer. Oh my goodness, look at this. Oh my god, bro, this intersection's horrible. Mad traffic. Oh, watch this, professional driver. Oh fuck. Watch this. I just waved onto a guy in a 370Z. He's in a convertible, old guy. He's chill. I was like, can you let me in? Because I didn't want to block up traffic over there. Back there, I don't know if you guys saw, but I was pretty much blocking traffic, so I was like, screw that. So I waved them. You just gotta be nice, guys. You just gotta be nice in traffic. If you guys are nice to other people, they'll let you in, bro. I am averaging 14.8 miles per gallon. I gotta reset that. I've been mainly doing city driving, so that's why I feel like it's so low. But nah, that's OD. That's OD. 14.8. That's horrible. Yeah, I don't even know. All right, guys. Let's see how much gas is today. Let's see. $3.80. Bugging. This is the cheap gas station. $50, guys, for a full tank. Crazy. Alright, guys, I'm on eco. Screw that. I just reset my my miles per gallon, so we could see how much that is throughout this whole week, since I just filled up. So yeah, I'm gonna take it easy. Like, unless I'm like having fun, I'm gonna push it, but I'm gonna just, you know, chill out. But this is how the car drives, chill. So I guess this is part of the POV. So right now I'm gonna go to the bank, deposit some cash, and then from there I'm gonna go to the gym. So yeah, I hope the camera picks up like the bumps and stuff. I mean, I'm on coil, so obviously it's gonna be more stiff. So it's gonna be, obviously I'm gonna feel bumps and stuff, but it's not as bad as like other people. Like Cam on his 328, shout out to Cam. He is pretty much like, his car's like so stiff. What the hell is this guy doing? Thank you. This guy just literally blocked the freaking thing. But yeah, his is really stiff. Oh my god, that guy's tight in the pickup. That white truck just went straight. I mean, you could technically do it. It's just that, I don't know, it's not worth it, because like, look all that traffic you're holding up. You're pretty much blocking people. I don't really do it, like, because what I usually do is I get off the off ramp. I said off a bunch of times, but I get off the off ramp, and at this light I make a left and then go straight, and then I go towards my house, rather than go straight like that and then, you know, do the same route. But yeah, but hopefully, let's see if we see some cool cars on the way to the bank. I think that's a Hellcat over there. I don't know if you guys can see. 26.1, baby. Let's go. Scat pack, yeah. Doesn't look like it's hanging. Oh no, don't tell me there's a Mac. Oh no, there is a Mac. Oh hell nah, bro. This is like detailing place. There's usually like some cool cars out on front. Let's see if there's any. Oh, there's a Urus, Raptor, and I don't even know what the hell that was in the freaking bay. But yeah, usually they have like Ferraris and like Aventadors and stuff. Hi guys, so I just deposited some cash to the bank, and now we are off to the gym. Alright guys, so I just finished editing the video, and I always forget to record an outro. For some reason I always forget. But if you guys enjoyed this POV and want like more just like POVs, like talking and stuff, or just like POVs in general of the car, drop a comment. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed, like and subscribe, and then I'll see you guys in the next one.